Hey everyone, welcome back. Turbo Coin is on fire, up over 200%. Should you buy Dollar Turbo before the next big move? Let's break it down fast. Turbo is trading around $0.0004. It just pumped 85%, and its market rank is number 143. Now, if you already bought Turbo, this could be a great time to take some profits. If you're thinking of buying for the first time, wait a little. After a big pump, a small dip is normal. Turbo has a total supply of 69 billion coins, and 100% is already in circulation. With volume up 364% recently, the buying pressure is strong, and more volume could push the price even higher. You can buy Turbo on BitGet, low fees, easy deposits, or Binance if you prefer. And don't forget, Turbo is the first AI-generated meme coin. They're active on Twitter, announcing new events and partnerships, fueling even more hype. Turbo price prediction for 2025? If momentum continues, we could see a 5x to 10x move, but always invest carefully. Please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell us, are you buying Turbo or waiting for the next dip? See you in the next one.